You sit down to study. You have every intention of doing it. And then, nothing. You check your phone, you get a snack, you rearrange your desk, and an hour disappears. Here's the thing, that's not laziness, that's your brain doing exactly what it was built to do. So let's talk about why your brain actively resists studying, and 3 evidence-based techniques to work with it, not against it. Your brain runs on a principle called cognitive ease. It constantly asks, is this task familiar, predictable, low effort? If the answer is yes, it rewards you with dopamine. If the answer is no, like with a tense textbook, it flags the task as a threat and pulls you towards something easier. There's also one neuroscientist called the default mode network, a set of brain regions that activate precisely when you're not doing anything focused. Mind wandering, daydreaming, scrolling, that's your DMN running the show. It takes real cognitive effort to suppress it. And here's the cruel irony. The moment you open something difficult, your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, starts competing with your limbic system. We just want you to feel good right now. The limbic system almost always wins in the short term. The 2-minute rule from David Allen's GTD system. Don't tell yourself you're going to study for an hour. Tell yourself you'll open the material for 2 minutes. That's it. The brain's resistance is highest at risk at the start of a task, called the initiation cost. Once you begin, moment takes over, 2 minutes become 20. Spaced repetition. Validated since Hermann Ebbinger's 1885 forgetting curve research. Instead of studying the same thing for 3 hours in one sitting, study it in 4 short sessions spread across days. Your hippocampus consolidates memory during sleep and rest. Cramming fights your neurobiology. Spacing works with it. The Pomodoro technique, developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. 25 minutes of focused work, 5 minutes break, repeat. This maps almost perfectly onto your brain's ultradian rhythm. The natural 90-minute focus rest cycle identified by sleep researcher Nathaniel Klitman showed that 90 minutes your brain can sustain intensity. Beyond it, performance degrades sharply. Your brain doesn't hate learning, it hates effortful uncertainty. Give it a short runway, space out of the work, and take real breaks, and you'll stop fighting yourself every time you open a book. 2 minutes. Try it right now. Open whatever you've been avoiding and just start.